Hey guys, I'm here with just a really quick tip because I think that it is helpful for those of us who like to do hot oil treatments at night, or we like to oil our scalp and then we wake up in the morning and our pillows are completely damaged. This is a quick step process that you can do to protect your pillows from damage from the oils. No matter how much you wash it, that oil does not come out. So I'm Michelle from Find Natural Hair and Faith. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're not. So I have my pillow here. Not too worse for wear, but if I was to do a lot of like oils in my hair at night and they just seep through the pillow, it will ruin the pillow. So this is what you're going to do. And I'm not showing you my whole bed because I'm actually in the process of folding laundry and changing my sheets. This is going to be quick. You've seen these, right? You can get these on Amazon. I get them for my son because he's incontinent. They also sell wee pads in like pet stores, but I don't think those are big enough. You want one that could literally cover your entire pillow. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay it over the pillow like so. You're just going to cover your pillow with it. But then the next thing you're going to do, you're not putting your pillowcase on because it will slide around. You're then going to take a pillow protector and you're going to put the pillow protector over the case and over the covering of the chuck, like so. So you want to make sure you have a pillow protector that zips like this one so that you can fold that in and zip it right over it. And this is your result. You have the pillow protected by the chuck, which will absorb all of the oil. Then you'll take your satin pillowcase with the zip. I prefer pillowcases that zip just because they stay better. And then you put your pillow in there and then you zip it shut. And that's it. Obviously, the star of the show is that chuck. And you want to make sure that the pillow protector you have has that, like, it almost feels like a scratchy surface. It's kind of like it's stain resistant, but over time things penetrate it, but it's just another sort of added level of protection just in case, once the oils go through your outer pillowcase and then this one, if it penetrates, then you have that chuck that will protect your actual pillow. Your pillow will look like this. You'll have your satin pillowcase. You'll protect your hair from the oil. You'll protect your pillow from all the oils that would damage it. And then you can go about your evening. So anyway, that was all for this video. I told y'all it was going to be quick. And hopefully this will help you and it'll spark an idea for you, because I know what it's like to damage seemingly wonderful pillows that actually cost quite a penny, only to have to then run to Target and get you a like $10 pillow, which doesn't last as long. So thanks for watching. I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get more videos from me. Thanks again. God bless you.